Tapos direct maram nga, and one day, my teacher will be an ARD. San si ARD firm mo? Ayun. Akong teacher noon ARD firm mo. Yan ARD na hiya. Tapos ako, assistant secretary. So, nalamangan nato ng butiyay. Di ba? Pero, share ko lagi piya. So, you don't know where fate will bring you, but apparently it's brought us here in Ilocos today, where we get to celebrate you, the athletes, as being our champions from Region 8. So for that alone, congratulations, and we hope to see more of you in the coming months. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause to our visitors all the way from the central office. We have the undersecretaries and the assistant secretaries po of the Department of Education. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. Ma'am,